Hey, what's up guys, Zaman here. In this video I am going to show you how you can record your computer screen. IObit Screen Recorder is a free screen recorder for Windows that allows you to record all the activities from your computer screen. You can record unlimited HD video without watermark. It supports recording of audio from the mic and speaker of your computer to add it to the recorded video. It is an ideal screen recording software to record lectures, presentations, and video tutorials. The link of the software is available in the video description. Click on free download button and after installation launch this. You will see the interface like this. At the top right corner we have some hotkeys control to record, pause and to take screenshot. When starting the recording, the first thing to do is select the part of the screen that we want to record. Select a region, pressing open a drop-down menu where we can select if we want to record the full screen, a window, a portion of the screen, a part in 4:3 format or a part in 16:9 format. Right next to it, we find the speaker, mic and mouse buttons. From here we can activate or deactivate the recording of the sound of the system, the microphone or the movement of the mouse pointer. Here is the recording settings tab. When clicking on it will show us a drop down menu. Here we must choose where we want the videos that we have recorded to be saved. We can also select the video settings such as the resolution, 4K, Full HD, HD and SD. The format MP4, AVI, FLV, MKV, etc. and the frame per second and the quality standard, HD and original. Regarding the audio, we can select its format as well as its frame rate. In the upper part, if we click on the three vertical lines, we can access their settings. Here we can access the general settings, record settings, webcam settings, format and hotkeys. Where we can select the format for the screenshots as well as the keyboard shortcuts to start and stop, pause the recording and take a screenshot while recording. Once we have made the appropriate adjustments, we only have to press the red record button. Once pressed, a 3 seconds countdown appears before the recording begins. The recording area is marked with a box with red lines from where we can pause or stop the recording. You can see the time that has elapsed as well as a button to take screenshots. Once finished, here we will see the recorded video, the duration and the storage size. You can also preview it. Just to the right, we can press the indicated button to make a small video editing, which will allow us to cut the beginning and end of it as well as save it as a separate file. If you are looking for a free screen recorder, you should try IObit. It is a lightweight yet powerful screen recorder. The link of this software is available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.